Hello everyone, I'm Leo Karzak, back to you from KPL Performance, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about the quarter scale KPL 632 V8 engine. Today I'm going to answer the most common questions I get, we'll do another run of the engine, and even show you a sneak peek of the new supercharger. The two most common questions I get are about the oiling system and the max RPM of the engine. For the oiling system, the engine block is fully drilled for all the oil passages, just like a full-scale engine. It has a wet sump pressurized oiling system with an internal oil pump that directs oil from the pump to the filter and then to the main oil galley that runs the length of the block. From there it goes down to the main bearings, through the cross-drilled crankshaft to the rod bearings, and then up through the rods to the wrist pins. The oil galley also feeds the cam bearings, from there to the lifters and then through the heads up to the rocker arms, so every part of the rotating assembly gets pressurized oil. I get a lot of questions about the engine's max RPM. With the current Rexel CDI ignition running on a 2S LiPo battery, the engine's max RPM is around 8,500. So let's get it started and run it through the RPM range. Since the engine is cold and there's no choke on the carburetor, you need to prime it until you see fuel start to enter the carburetor. I'm also going to turn the idle screw up about a quarter of a turn to raise the RPM to around 45 to 5,000. Alright, just like before, we turn on our main power, our ignition, and hit our start button. The engine runs really well and is very responsive to throttle input, which I can only assume is going to get even better when I install this, a twin lobe root style supercharger. So be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the install and test run of this awesome addition in upcoming videos. And be sure to check out kplperformance.com for more information. Thanks.